Hi, is this seat free?
Oh, hi. Yeah, it's free.
Great, thanks. I'm Liam, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Liam. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. Are you a regular here?
Not really. I just came to try their caramel latte. What about you?
I come here sometimes. Their cappuccino is my favorite, but maybe I'll try the caramel today too.
You should. It's really good.
Sounds tempting. So, do you work or study nearby?
I work nearby. This is my little coffee break spot.
Nice. I'm a student at the university. I usually come here to relax and enjoy some coffee, and sometimes meet new people.
Interesting. Looks like you found one today.
Maybe. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading, sketching sometimes, and exploring new cafes.
Cool. I'm into photography and discovering new coffee flavors. Maybe I can show you some of my photos sometime.
That would be fun. I love meeting people with creative hobbies.
Same here. Looks like this cafe is already better than I expected.
Yeah, it's a nice place to meet new friends.
Definitely. Shall we grab our drinks and chat a bit more?
Absolutely.
Hi, Liam. What a beautiful day today.
Hi, Irma. Yes, the weather is perfect.
I love coming to the park in the evening.
Me too. It's very relaxing.
Do you come here every day?
Almost every day after work.
That's nice. I like walking here.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, and it helps me clear my mind.
I feel the same way.
Look at the children playing. They look happy.
Yes, it's nice to see people enjoying the park.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
That's great. I prefer jogging.
Jogging is very good for health.
Sometimes I listen to music while jogging.
That sounds fun.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, especially when I'm relaxing.
Music makes everything better.
I completely agree.
It's always nice talking to you here.
I feel the same, Emma.
Hi, Emma. What are you doing here?
Hi, Liam. I am shopping for fruits and vegetables.
Nice. I also need to buy some things.
Great. Let's shop together.
Okay, where should we go first?
Let's go to the fruit section. I want apples and bananas.
These apples look fresh.
Yes, they look very good. I will take 1 kilo of apples.
Good choice. I will take 1 dozen bananas.
That's nice. Bananas are healthy.
Now let's go to the vegetable section.
Yes, I need tomatoes and potatoes.
I want onions and carrots.
These tomatoes look fresh. I will take 1 kilo.
The onions look good too. I will take 1 kilo of onions.
I will also take some potatoes.
Don't forget carrots.
Yes, I will take ½ kilo of carrots.
I think we have everything now.
Yes, our shopping is complete.
That was easy and fun.
Yes, I enjoyed shopping with you.
Let's come again next week.
Sure, see you soon.
Bye, Emma.
Bye, Liam.
Hi, Liam. Are you waiting for the bus?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm waiting for the number 12 bus.
Oh, I'm waiting for the same bus.
That's great. We can talk while we wait.
Do you take the bus every day?
Yes, I take it to go to work.
Is your office far from here?
Not very far. It's about 15 minutes by bus.
That's convenient. I usually take the bus to the library.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I like reading books and studying there.
The library is a great place to learn new things.
Exactly. It's quiet and peaceful.
I should visit it sometime.
You should. There are many interesting books.
That sounds good.
Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Yes, finally.
Let's get on the bus.
Sure.
I hope we find seats.
Me too.
It's always nice talking with you.
I agree, Emma.
Hi, Liam. I didn't expect to see you here.
Hi, Emma. I came to return a book.
That's nice. Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading in my free time.
What kind of books do you like?
I like history and travel books.
Interesting. I like novels and stories.
Stories can be very entertaining.
Yes, they help me relax. Do you come to the library often? Yes, almost every week.
That's a good habit.
The library is very quiet and peaceful.
I agree.
I'm looking for a new book to read.
Maybe I can help you find one.
That would be great.
Let's check the fiction section.
Good idea.
I hope we find something interesting.
Hi, Liam. What are your hobbies?
Hi, Emma. I like playing football and listening to music.
That's great. I like painting and reading books.
Painting sounds interesting.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you paint often?
Usually on weekends.
That's nice.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft music.
I like the same kind of music.
That's great.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, sometimes.
I enjoy watching movies with friends.
That sounds fun.
Hobbies make life more enjoyable.
I completely agree.
Maybe one day you can see my paintings.
I would love that.
Hi, Liam. You look tired today.
Yes, it was a busy day at work.
You should relax and drink some coffee.
That sounds like a good idea.
This cafe is very peaceful.
Yes, I like the quiet atmosphere.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have a cappuccino.
Good choice. I will order a latte.
Coffee always helps me feel better.
Same here. It's perfect after a long day.
Work can sometimes be stressful.
That's true. Taking breaks is important.
Yes, we need time to relax.
What do you usually do after work?
I like reading or listening to music.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I enjoy walking or meeting friends.
That's a great way to relax.
Spending time with friends makes life happier.
I completely agree.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too, Emma.
Liam, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Emma. Not really. I was thinking about relaxing at home.
Sometimes relaxing is good, but going outside can also be fun.
That's true. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I'm planning to visit the park on Saturday morning.
That sounds like a nice idea.
The weather is supposed to be sunny and pleasant.
Perfect weather for spending time outside.
Would you like to join me at the park?
Sure, that would be great.
We can walk around the park and enjoy the fresh air.
I like walking in the park. It's very relaxing.
We could also bring some snacks and have a small picnic.
That's a wonderful idea.
I can bring sandwiches and some fruit.
I will bring juice and some cookies.
Perfect. That will be a nice picnic.
Yes, it will be fun.
What time should we meet?
Maybe around 10 o'clock in the morning?
That works for me.
Great.
After the picnic, we can also take some photos.
Yes, the park has beautiful scenery.
I'm really looking forward to the weekend now.
Me too. It'll be a fun and relaxing day.
See you on Saturday, Liam.
See you then, Emma.
Hi, Leo. I didn't know you liked bookstores.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I enjoy visiting bookstores in my free time.
That's great. I also love reading books.
What kind of books do you usually read?
I like novels and self-improvement books.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I prefer travel books and history books.
Travel books are exciting. They make you want to see new places.
Exactly. I like learning about different countries and cultures.
Do you buy books often?
Sometimes, but I also borrow books from the library.
That's a good idea. Libraries are very helpful.
Yes, they have many books and a quiet place to read.
Look at this book. It's about healthy living.
That looks useful.
I want to start reading more about health and lifestyle.
That's a good goal.
Reading can teach us many new things.
I completely agree.
After buying books, I usually sit in a cafe and read.
That sounds very relaxing.
Maybe we can read together sometime.
That would be nice.
I'm going to buy this novel today.
Good choice.
It was nice meeting you here.
Same here, Emma.
Hi, Liam. Are you here to watch a movie?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I love watching movies.
Me too. What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy action and adventure movies.
That sounds fun. I prefer romantic and comedy movies.
Comedy movies are very entertaining.
Yes, they make people laugh and feel happy.
That's true.
Have you seen the new movie playing today?
Not yet, but I heard it's very good.
Many people are talking about it.
Then we should watch it?
Do you like popcorn during movies?
Yes, popcorn and a cold drink.
Same here. It feels like a real cinema experience.
Exactly.
Movies are a great way to relax after a busy day.
I agree.
The movie will start in 10 minutes.
Perfect timing.
Let's get our tickets.
Good idea.
I'm excited to watch the movie.
Me too.
Hi, Liam. Are you traveling somewhere?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm going to visit my cousin.
That's exciting. Where are you going?
I'm flying to another city for a few days.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, but I enjoy traveling.
Traveling is a great way to see new places.
Yes, and you can also meet new people.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, but my cousin will meet me at the airport.
That's good. Airports can be busy and confusing sometimes.
That's true.
Did you check in already?
Yes, I checked in online this morning.
That makes things easier.
Yes, it saves time.
How long is your flight?
About 2 hours.
That's not too long.
Yes, it's a short trip.
I hope you have a safe journey.
Thank you, Emma.
Enjoy your trip.
I will. See you soon.
Hi, Liam. Are you shopping for clothes?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I need some new shirts.
That's nice. Do you like shopping?
Sometimes, but I don't enjoy crowded places.
I understand. Shopping can be tiring.
Yes, but buying new clothes feels good.
Look at this blue shirt. It looks nice.
Yes, the color is very good.
You should try it on.
Good idea.
Does it fit well?
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Then you should buy it.
I think I will.
I'm also looking for a jacket.
That black jacket looks stylish.
Yes, I like it too.
Fashion is interesting.
Yes, clothes can show our personality.
That's true.
Shopping with a friend is more fun.
I agree.
Hi, Liam. Welcome to the restaurant.
Hi, Emma. This place looks nice.
Yes, the food here is very good.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled chicken and salad.
That sounds delicious.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too spicy.
Then this dish will be perfect for you.
Great. I will try it.
I'm thinking about ordering pasta.
Pasta is always a good choice.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially chocolate cake.
They have a very good chocolate cake here.
Then we must try it.
The waiter is coming.
Let's order our food.
I'm excited to try the pasta.
And I'm excited about the grilled chicken.
Eating out is always fun.
Yes, especially with good company.
Hey, Liam, good morning. Are you ready for your first class today?
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I'm a bit nervous. It's my first day at this college.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. Which class do you have first?
I have English literature at 9 a.m. What about you?
I have the same class. We can go together.
That's great. By the way, where's the classroom? I'm still confused.
It's in Building B, second floor. I can show you the way.
Thanks a lot, Emma. You're very helpful.
No problem. So, why did you choose this college?
I heard the teachers here are very good and the environment is friendly.
Yes, that's true. The professors are really supportive.
That sounds amazing. I hope I can make new friends here.
Of course. You already have one friend, me.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Also, after class, we can visit the library. It's very big and quiet.
I would love that. I enjoy studying in peaceful places.
Great. Let's go now, or we'll be late.
Yes, let's hurry. I don't want to miss my first class.
Hey, Liam. What are you doing at the train station so early?
Hi, Emma. I'm going to visit my cousin in another city. What about you?
I'm traveling for a college trip with my classmates.
That sounds fun. Have you bought your ticket?
Yes, I booked it online yesterday. Did you get yours?
Not yet. I think I'll buy it from the counter.
You should hurry. The line looks very long.
Oh no, I hope I don't miss my train.
Don't worry. What time is your train?
It's at 10:30 a.m.
You still have time. By the way, which platform is your train on?
I'm not sure. Let me check the information board.
Good idea. I think it's platform number 3.
Yes, you're right. Thanks, Emma.
No problem. Do you have your luggage with you?
Yes, just this bag. I like to travel light.
Same here. It makes traveling easier.
That's true. Oh, look, the train is arriving.
Great. I think it's time to go.
Yes. Have a safe journey, Emma.
You too, Liam. Enjoy your trip and take care.
Hi, Liam. What are you doing at the pharmacy? Are you okay?
Hi, Emma. I'm not feeling well today. I have a headache and a slight fever.
Oh, no. Did you see a doctor?
Not yet. I thought I would get some medicine first.
That's fine, but you should be careful. What medicine are you looking for?
Something for a headache and fever. Maybe some tablets.
You can ask the pharmacist for advice. They usually help a lot.
Yes, that's a good idea. Excuse me, can you suggest something for fever?
Sure, you can take these tablets twice a day after food.
Thank you. Are there any side effects?
No major side effects, but make sure you drink plenty of water. Also, you should take some rest. Don't ignore your health.
You're right. I've been very busy with college work.
Health is more important than anything else.
I agree. I'll go home and rest after this.
Good plan. If you don't feel better, visit a doctor.
Yes, I will. Thanks for your concern, Emma.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
I will. See you soon.
Wow, Liam, look at these necklaces. They're so shiny and beautiful.
Yes, they are. Do you have any favorite?
I like this silver one with a small heart pendant. It's simple, but elegant.
I like it too. It would look great with any outfit.
And these rings. Oh, look at this one with a tiny diamond. So cute.
That's nice. Are you thinking of buying it?
Maybe. It could be a gift from my mom. She loves delicate jewelry.
Good idea. How about these earrings? They match the necklace you liked.
Oh, yes. Perfect set. I think I'll take both.
Sounds great. Do you want me to check the bracelets too?
Sure, Liam. Maybe we can find something nice for Sarah's birthday.
That's thoughtful. I see some charm bracelets over there. They're beautiful.
Oh, this one is adorable. She will love it.
Great. Let's ask the shop assistant about prices and gift wrapping.
Yes, and also if they have a warranty. Jewelry is delicate.
Good point. Buying jewelry is always fun, especially when you get to choose gifts for friends and family.
Absolutely. I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's finalize our choices and get them wrapped.
Liam, look at this sofa. It's so comfortable and stylish.
Yeah, I like it too. What color do you think would look best in our living room?
Maybe light gray? It matches our walls.
Good idea. How about this coffee table? It's simple but elegant.
I like it, but maybe we need something with a little storage space.
You're right. Let's check that section over there. I see some drawers and shelves.
Perfect. Oh, this one looks nice. It has enough space for magazines and remote controls.
I like it, and the price is reasonable too. Should we ask for delivery options?
Yes, that's important. I don't want to carry this home myself.
Don't worry, the staff here are very helpful. Let's ask them.
Great. Also, we need a lamp for the corner of the room. That one over there looks modern.
I agree. It will make the room brighter and cozy at the same time.
Awesome. I think we have selected the main furniture.
Yes, now we just need some small decorations like cushions and plants.
Perfect. Shopping for furniture is actually fun when you do it together.
Definitely. Let's head to the cashier and finalize everything.
Hi, Liam. Happy birthday to Sarah. She looks so happy today.
Hey, Emma. Yeah, the decorations are amazing. I love the balloons and the cake.
Me too. Have you tried the cupcakes yet? They look delicious.
Not yet. I'm waiting for Sarah to cut the cake. Do you want to get some drinks first?
Sure, let's grab some juice. Oh, I see our friends playing games over there.
Should we join them? It looks fun.
Absolutely. I want to try the treasure hunt game. Are you good at it?
I think so. Last time I won the game at Jack's party.
Wow, I hope I can beat you this time.
Don't worry, it's all about having fun.
True. After the game, we should dance. The music is so lively.
Good idea. I love dancing at parties. And don't forget the cake.
Yes, cake is the best part. I think Sarah will be so happy to see everyone enjoying.
Definitely. This party is perfect for celebrating with friends.
I agree. Thanks for coming with me, Liam.
Of course. Birthday parties are more fun with friends.
It was really nice spending time together today. The park, the coffee, and the long conversation made my day feel very special and relaxing.
I feel the same, Emma. After such a busy week, walking and talking with you helped me relax and forget about work for a while.
The evening weather is also perfect. The cool breeze and the quiet streets make the walk home very peaceful and comfortable.
Yes, evenings like these are my favorite. The city feels calm and everything around us looks soft and beautiful under the lights.
I'm glad we planned today. Sometimes simple things like talking, walking, and laughing can make the whole day better.
That's very true. Good company can turn an ordinary day into a very memorable and happy experience.
Look, we are almost near my street now. My house is just around that corner.
Oh yes, I remember. You told me before that your house is close to the small park near this road.
Exactly. I usually walk there in the mornings. Maybe one day we can meet there for a morning walk too.
That sounds like a great idea. Morning walks are refreshing and a perfect way to start the day.
Well, this is my street. I should go home now before it gets too late.
Of course. My apartment is just a few blocks ahead, so I'll continue walking from here.
Thank you for the nice conversation today, Liam. I really enjoyed our time together.
Thank you too, Emma. It's always great talking with you.
Have a safe walk home and a relaxing evening.
You too, Emma. See you again very soon.